Enhance your iPhone calling experience. Full screen caller ID and contact photos tutorial. Open a contact. Tap on I button. Tap on edit. Get a edit again. Tap on customize and select photo contact. Choose a different photo. Tap on photos. So let me get my photo from WhatsApp. Let me save this one in my gallery. So let's back. Now my photo is in my gallery, and select the photo, and you can move and scale. You can move and scale like this, and once done, tap on choose, and you can select the filters, and you can select desired filter here. Once done, tap on next. Select photo again. This is for poster. Even you can change the filters like this. So you can pinch and grab, and also select the font and colors, and also size. It looks cool for me. So once done, tap on done and click on continue. Select photo and done. That's it. Like this, you can customize your iPhone caller ID. If you are facing any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you.